A 1, 2, 3, 4. We were born in the city of Liverpool. It seems a long time gone, but in our soul runs the rhythm of the Mersey beat. We hate Balshankly and we hate St John. We first kicked the ball across the Stanley Park, then the landlord he put up our fees. So we moved down the road to play at Goodison. We were the first and we will always be. Well, so it's very well to Dixie Dean, to the Winslow and those Cavern days. It's not the leaving of Goodison that grieves me, but our feet are living far away. Let's remember the team of Harry Cartwright, Wright, Wilson, Gabriel, Lavone and Young, Harris, Scott, Temple and Treblicki and Harvey too. Like Alan Ball, they are forever young. Also it's very well to Dixie Dean, the Golden Vision and those Cavern days. It's not the leaving of Goodison that grieves me, but our feet are living far away. Let's raise a glass to Howard Kendall now, our greatest living boss. He had us champions in Europe and at Rotterdam. We showed those red shite who was really boss. But so it's very well to Graham Sharp, to Kevin Sheedy and to Andy Gray. It's not the leaving of Goodison that grieves me, but that ban it meant we could not play. I look back to Wembley, 95, my greatest ever day, where we beat Sir Alex and his Millionaires. We kicked Roy Keane so hard he couldn't play. Well, so it's fairly well to Barry Horn, to Neville Southall and to King Joe Royal. It's not the leaving of Goodison that grieves me, but when the dogs of war went off the boil. Now we're gonna have to leave old Goodison. We're off to Kirkby and to Tesco's ground. But we're from Toxteth, from Bootle and from Wavertree, and see that Kirkby, it's another town. So think again, the People's Club, please don't treat us like a bunch of fools. It's not the leaving of Goodison that grieves me, but the leaving of dear Liverpool. The Borough in the quarters of the FA Cup. We beat the Villa and the Red Shite too. Next up United, as easy as they come, they say, and then that Frenchman or those Russian blue. Because we're Wembley bound, way Davy Moyes, way Phil Neville and the Toffee Blues. It's not the leaving of Goodison that grieves me, but the prices of that London booze. Now we're calling out to Duncan Ferguson, now sunning it in Spain. Dust down those Puma football boots, we need a striker, so forget your way. Oh, so please stay fit, Louisa, cause we're heading down that Wembley way. It's not the leaving of Goodison that grieves me, but those red buses on the motorway. Oh, so it's fairly well to Dixie Deans, to the Golden Vision and those Cavern days. It's not the leaving of Goodison that grieves me, but the 11 bar.